The biggest benefit of having contingency piping is all the tie-ins can be made while the plant's operating. And contingency piping is put in place so you can reduce your downtime if you have a boiler failure, or even for a planned outage. It'll give you the opportunity to have your temporary equipment installed, up and running in a lot less time. You can reduce your time with contingency piping in place by a week or more down to just a couple of days. The important part about it is if you do have a facility with multiple boilers, you lose one boiler, you can run at a reduced rate while bringing in your temporary boiler. You don't have to shut down the entire system. What you would want to do is you want to have all your utilities ran outside. You want steam, feed water, natural gas, and blowdown. If you need to, depending on the application, if you need means for condensate return, if you're coming back to a mobile boiler room. So having that all in place, we can bring the boiler in, set it, go through the inspection process, have the piping hooked up, and can be up and running in some cases a day or two. Another thing to keep in mind is having this piping stubbed to the exact location where you're going to want that boiler. And in some plants, it's several hundred feet of pipe that has to be ran before we can make the tie into the portable boiler. Something that's really important, making the plan when you have the contingency piping in place with who you're going to rent that boiler from, so that we can work through the terms and conditions up front. I've seen a lot of jobs where we have everything in place. It comes down to terms and conditions for a rental boiler because they're different than what they are for your normal goods and service agreement that you may have in place, a master service agreement, whatever. I've had the terms and conditions delay a rental boiler by 2 weeks getting on site, working through the terms and conditions. So if you can have your contingency piping in place, have your rental company determine who's going to be your provider, and have your terms and conditions worked out ahead of time, everything falls into place and makes the process go a lot smoother and a lot less painful.